What's up, happy HubSpotter? It's your boy George B. Thomas from SprocketTalk.com, and today we're going to talk about sales tools and branding those sales tools so that you can have a better experience for the people dealing with your meetings, tools, and different areas that they're going to bump into your company name, your address, your colors, your logos. And we're going to set all of that in place so that you can create a great experience for them as your potential customers, your leads, your prospects. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this where we're actually looking inside your HubSpot portal. To get here, we've actually gone to the settings, and then we've gone to the account defaults. And once in account defaults, we've gone to branding. And now with branding open, what we're going to really do is we're going to focus on adding the company name. We're going to add the company address, city, zip, country, state. If you have a company second line for your address, you can add that, as well as your company domain. Now you want to make sure that you fill all of this out properly, because again, this is going to be seen by your prospects, your leads, your potential customers when they're actually using the HubSpot tools. The second thing that you want to dive into after company info is the logo. Again, you'll have the ability for your normal company logo, as well as if you want to use a square logo, you can add that as well. Hovering over this eye, you're going to see a normal logo versus a square logo. So in our case, we may have the funnel bubble icon would be our square logo, but we've chosen not to have one in this scenario. Make sure you're also using the logo alt text to get a little bit of search engine optimization or SEO juice out of where this logo is being used. And then we want to go to the colors tab, and this is where you're going to set your primary color, accent color 2, and secondary color to really make your meetings links or different tools look the way that they should for your branded colors with your company. Now again, remember, this is all about making it look the way that you want it to look, branded, professional. Really set it up. Take time to do this and look at, here's how it looks with those colors. Oh, let me try these colors. Really set it up the way that you want it to be set up. Now, one thing when you're here, you also may want to bump over from branding to currencies. Set your currency to the currency that you need it to be. And when you're done with this, you may even want to come down here with your colors and go into your email colors and set up your favorites so that it will show in your WYSIWYG editor. Again, we'll create a tutorial on that you can check out later. Making sure that these colors and anywhere else that you can set your favorite colors in HubSpot is definitely a bonus. So make sure you're getting your sales tools set up. Make sure you're getting your sales branding set up for your tools as well. And remember, until we meet in the next video, to be a happy, helpful, humble human. And along the way, let's do some happy HubSpotting.